It is always fun to open these off with one of my favorite boats coming through the inlet. I absolutely love these big cats. Welcome back, guys. It is your boy Broncos Guru along with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and it's this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. We've got some fan favorite boats that are always nice to make an appearance here, and today we're going to see one of those fan favorites as a legend returns. This one, it's the Blacktop Legend. This is one of my favorite guys to watch come through this inlet. He takes this Montauk to the absolute limits. And the best part about when the Blacktop Legend shows up, he doesn't usually just come through the inlet once. He'll spend the whole day out there basically just annihilating Haulover. This little tiny boat comes rolling through here better than most larger vessels will see, and we're going to prove that in this next couple rounds as we're going to put him up against several larger vessels. This round goes to the boats. Here in the second round, we're going to see what happens when we place that larger vessel out there. Here we've got a nice sized tidewater coming rolling through Haulover Inlet on our return. But right here, my man's going too slow. He's not up on plane, not giving it enough throttle, and Haulover's basically working this guy over. Now, I will defend the captain a little bit here. This is a pretty heavy, nasty following sea, and he could easily stuff that bow if he's not careful as well. So he's trying to work his way through the inlet as cautiously as he can to make sure he gets through there safely, but still, a little more power would help him out quite substantially in this, and we're going to go ahead and give this round a Haulover. Now I know what you're thinking, we're not comparing apples to apples, the conditions are a little different, and that boat was coming in and the Legend was going out. Well, this is what the Legend looks like when he's making a return back into Haulover. He is still throttled down, doesn't care, he's coming through, once again pushing this boat to the absolute limit. I really do absolutely enjoy watching him come through the inlet like this. If you do as well, be sure to hit that like button to make sure we show more things like this. They probably really should put this in a Boston Whaler commercial, because I'll tell you what, if I'd have saw a Boston Whaler commercial like this when I was shopping for a boat, I'd probably own a Montauk right now. Heck, you know what? I made his add to the collection. You can never have too many boats, right? Now, after watching him do this, let's go ahead and put him against a larger vessel again. I mean, we're going to keep with the theme and see how these guys perform compared to our Blacktop Legend. Here we've got a pretty good sized contender coming out of Haulover, and these two gentlemen are about to have a little bit of a jarring experience here in Haulover. And when I say that, this boat's going to take a pounding as it comes to the inlet. Like right there's a pretty good one. My guy was recording and he's decided it's time to put the camera down, and we're just going to hang on and go for this ride as we're about to see a little airtime. These guys are likely to be feeling that smacking for weeks to come. Haulover's knocked them so hard even that the lid on the cooler, if you look up front, it's already come loose as well, and this round goes to Haulover Inlet. We always know we're in for a good time when I see somebody come through Haulover and you can already tell they're prepared. Kind of like this gentleman here who's coming through Haulover Inlet already in a rain suit because he knows he's getting wet. Which means he's ready to push this boat to the limits, and he's going to have to do it. Now that we come into the fifth round tied at 2 apiece, will this captain take it home for the boats, or will Haulover grab the win this week? He looks pretty good coming out of the gate, but Haulover's going to give him some late shots here at the end. Let me know who won, guys. I'm going to let you decide this week. Go ahead and line it up in the comments below. Will the boats take it home, or is it going to be Haulover Inlet taking the win? And thanks for watching this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover. I sure hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramp channel, catching all the hilarity that is the boat ramps all around Miami. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button. If not, we're coming to steal your drain plug.